Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'm going to show you a lovely spring scarf. Today we're going to be doing half treble crochets. You see the awesome colors that we have here. So we have these pastel shades. So it starts from the purple, goes over to the pink and goes to the yellow. So I'm going to show you how I did it and what I used, so stay tuned. So let's start. Here is the Mega color from Rico Design. So this is 100 grams, 250 meters. It's 80% acrylic and 20% wool. It's for a 6 to 7 millimeter hook or crocheting needles. And yeah, let's start from the middle as always. And you can see the color gradient already. So if you'd like this exact one, it's the number 14. And yeah, we start with the yellow and then we go to a pinkish shade and then we end with a purple. So let's get started. I'm going to be using my 6 millimeter hook for this. So here is the middle and we can get started. So we're starting with a slip knot and I'm going to chain 20 for our base. And 20, so we have a nice width. And now we're going to do 2 more for the height. Yarn over, and then into the third chain from our hook we're going to go in and we're going to do a half treble crochet. So we go through all 3 loops at the same time, and that's the half treble crochet. So yarn over, through all 3 loops, and that's it. And we're going to do this for every chain that we have in our base. And this is all we need to do for the first row. Okay, so now we start row 2 with 2 chains for the height. And this time we're not going through the stitch on top like always. Instead, we're going to go here through the side. So that way we're kind of moving the whole stitch to the side, and we're again doing half treble crochets. So basically you go through the front section, it's kind of diagonally in the front, so not on top as you would usually work. And you see it's relatively easy to find, you just look in the front section and not on top. And after just a couple of stitches, it's going to get super easy. So the front side is like that and the back is a lot prettier, and that's exactly what we want. It looks almost like it's knitted, and if you prefer crocheting, this is a really cool trick to still get a different visual effect while still crocheting and not knitting. So yeah, I'm going to keep working like this, and this is going to be our row number 2, and then you're going to see a full stripe on the back. I am now almost at the end. I have the last one to do. And this is what it looks like. So this is what we have. And now we're going to do 2 chains for the height, and we're going to continue in the exact same manner. So do half treble crochets and go into the front section. And yeah, then we're gonna have a stripe on the other side. So it's always gonna be on the back from where you do your stitches. So here you can see it's starting already. And yeah, I'm gonna keep working like this. So we always need 2 for the height, and then we just do these front half treble crochets. So I'm gonna work a little bit more, and then I'm gonna show you an update with a color change as well. So you guys, I did quite a bit now, and you see here at the beginning, and now the color changes here. So we have a mixed yellow and pink shade, and then we have, in the meantime, fully pink sections. So if I pull it a little bit like this, then you can see what the stitches look like, and it looks really pretty. And I'm going to show you the color change as well. So we have 3 threads that actually change one at a time, so that's how we get this very soft, very pretty color gradient. So this is where we started with the just one pink thread, and then 2, and then in the end it was full pink. So here we have a little bit more pink to do, and then we're going to change slowly again to the purple. So I'm really excited for that. And yeah, this combination is really nice, and it just makes the gradient soft and pretty. So I'm going to do a bit more, and then I'll be back. So in the meantime, I have the whole thing done, and you can see what this looks like now. I have just a tiny bit left over, not enough for a new row. So what I'm going to do now is pull this out and tighten a little bit to keep it in place. And then all that I have to do is weave the end in and the beginning as well. So the end here we have in purple, and we're just going to hide it in there, and then the yellow that we started with here. And then we're completely done. So we have just the 2 to weave in, and apart from that we have our scarf. So this is about 2 meters long, so you can definitely put it around your neck a couple of times, and it's really pretty. Yeah, so I hope you guys love the colors. I hope you like the way this looks. Feel free to let me know what you think about the pattern as well, if you tried it out, how well it worked, and if you have any other suggestions, feel free to post those as well. So yeah, I really like this ribbed pattern, this fake knitted pattern. I think it looks really lovely. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed the video, you can shoot a thumbs up to let us know. And if you'd like to see more, then you can subscribe to our channel, and that way stay updated with everything else that we post. If you click on the notification bell, in that case, you're gonna get notified every time we have a new video up. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next project. Have a great day. Bye!